I eat a fat bird is nik kwa tomawak tototl. Nik kwa tomawak tototl. So maybe I eat a fat table would be something like nik kwa tomawak mesa. Nik kwa tomawak mesa. I eat a fat moon might be something like nik kwa tomawak metzli. Nik kwa tomawak metzli. I eat a fat sky. Nik kwa tomawak ilhuicatl. Nik kwa tomawak ilhuicatl. I think that's it, or ilhuicatl. Ilhuicatl. So I eat a fat sky. Ilhuicatl. I eat a fat cloud. Nik kwa tomawak mishtli. Nik kwa tomawak mishtli. I eat fat rain. Nik kwa tomawak kiyawik. Nik kwa tomawak kiyawik. Now, mind you, I got all of these words from a dictionary that I was searching. I don't know if they're 100% correct though, but I think they are. I eat a fat storm. So nik kwa tomawak amamanistli. Hold on. Amamanilistli. So let's try that one again. I think it's nik kwa tomawak amamanilistli. That's a really long word. Amaman ilistli. Amaman ilistli. Amaman ilistli. Amaman ilistli. Amaman ilistli. So I eat a fat storm. Nik kwa tomawak amaman ilistli. I eat fat snow. Nik kwa tomawak sestli. Sestli. Nik kwa tomawak sestli. 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 I eat fat lightning, which is apparently klapetlani. Klapetlani. So I eat fat lightning. Tikwa tomawak klapetlani. Tikwa tomawak klapetlani. Nikwa tomawak klapetlani. So yesterday it ran the table. Might be something like yalwaya ya motlaloki and then mesa. Something like that. Yalwaya ni mo whoops. Ya mo tlaloki mesa. Maybe the moon ran yesterday. So yalwaya ya mo tlaloki metzli. Yalwaya ya mo tlaloki metzli. The sky ran yesterday. Yalwaya ya mo tlaloki ilhuicatl. Yalwaya ya mo tlaloki ilhuicatl. Yesterday the cloud ran. So yalwaya ya mo tlaloki mishtli. Yalwaya ya mo tlaloki mishtli. Yesterday the rain ran. Of course none of these sentences make sense, but you get the picture, I guess. Yalwaya ya mo tlaloki kiyawik. Yalwaya ya mo tlaloki kiyawik. Kiyawik. So yesterday the storm ran. Let's see if we can get this word to work. Yalwaya yamotlaloki amamanilitztli. Amamanilitztli. So Yalwaya yamotlaloki amamanilitztli. Yesterday the snow ran. Yalwaya yamotlaloki sestli. Yalwaya yamotlaloki sestli. Yesterday the lightning ran. Well, Yalwaya yamotlaloki tlapetlani. Yalwaya yamotlaloki tlapetlani.